What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to get free PayPal money easy and simple. Cue the intro.
Yeah. Oh. Gucci gang. Oh.
That's it right now, T-Now.
Lil Pump. Yeah. Gucci gang. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
big head on the beat.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Alright guys, so I'm sitting here behind the laptop, and what we're looking at is a Google Play app called Make Money PayPal Cash. And basically, first and foremost, if you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button, because I show you guys marketing tips and tricks as well as ways to make money online. And I upload these type of videos daily, so hit that subscribers button right freaking now. That should be the first thing you should be doing. Stop even watching, click the damn subscribers button, god damn it, right now. Okay, so let's get into it. And also hit that notifications bell so that way you can get notified for my content, because if you don't get notified, you're not subscribed. Now, Make Money PayPal Cash, basically the first step that you're going to do is simply download the app. Now, what is this app? To be honest with you, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys two making money methods in this video, but we're going to start with this one. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to be very transparent with you. I would only recommend doing this if you literally only have time to kill. Now, as far as making money, getting rich, or anything of that nature, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you literally just have time to kill, you're sitting at a bus stop, you're chilling in your room, you're bored as hell, something of that nature, right? Make Money PayPal Cash is simply when you're clicking an egg, right? You're going to download the app, you're going to click this egg, and what's going to happen is the more attention that you give them, what happens is these apps get ad revenue, right? The longer people stay on their apps, they get ad revenue because these different companies have the opportunity to display their ads. Now, obviously, or their ads rather. Obviously, you're not looking to buy anything, right? So everybody wins. They're going to be making money from ad revenue. You're going to be making money because if the longer you stay on there, the more you're going to go ahead and click. Every time you crack the egg, you're going to go ahead and get a bonus, right? Now, these bonuses are a variety of different levels of prizes, and one being obviously PayPal Cash. So simply, the farther you get, right? Obviously, if you have time to kill, go for it. The farther you get, you're going to go ahead and get paid PayPal Cash. Now, here's the thing. Me personally, the channel is to help you guys learn different methods, right? I'm not doing this, but if you have free time, go for it, right? What I currently do is something called affiliate marketing, when it's just another make money online opportunity or business model to where you can make money with PayPal Cash as well. Now, what I do is I simply refer products that I don't own and get paid a commission doing so, right? So if this interests you, go that route. Or if you want to make faster and larger profits, I would highly recommend getting into affiliate marketing. Now, the best method for making money with affiliate marketing, simply when you refer products, get paid a commission, is down below. It's going to be the first link in the description. You're going to get access to my ebook. It's called Affiliates Playbook. That's going to go ahead and teach you how to do affiliate marketing. It'll show you the fundamentals, and on the back end, it'll show you what I'm actually promoting that you can start promoting to generate thousands of dollars on autopilot. What I simply do, and it's still free PayPal Cash. I get paid in PayPal. The reason why it's free is because I find ways to promote my offers with different things like my YouTube account, my Instagram account, my Facebook account, all my social media accounts. I drive traffic. I get people to actually see the offer that I'm promoting. Once they actually buy that product, I get paid fat stacks of cash. And I've actually been leveraging this business model to travel full time for the last 12 months. I've been to literally 8 different countries. Australia, Indonesia is where I'm currently at shooting this video. Cambodia, Vietnam, I mean, the list goes on. So if you want to live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, I would highly recommend the bigger, better business model affiliate marketing. But if you want just quick, fast cash, Make Money PayPal Cash app. Go ahead and download the app, see if it's for you. But again, I would highly recommend the best method is the first link in the description. Take action right freaking now. Subscribe for future freaking videos. And go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did gain any value from this video. I promise you it does help. I appreciate every like, right? And leave a comment below for any future videos or recommendations that you'd like for me to create in the future. Now, with that being said, my friend, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.